TCP. Your application does not choose how data is sliced into package. Just let it know whenever anything needs to be sent, and then TCP will slice that into packets and recompose everything on the end of if you use a lot of small package, but it could also choose to go with few packets. It just makes whatever works best at the time. The rest just assure though you don't worry about how the package are sliced. All you need to know is on the receiver everything gets recomposed into a stream that you can read from. So which one is better? That's the question here. Do you think TCP is better or UDP? Actually, it depends on what kind of applications, such as text communications we are going to show you now. So inside this text communication challenge, as you can see, TCP communication can send and receive the message in the correct manner and without losing any data. But UDP on the other hand, messages are sent in random orders and some of the parts are lost. So basically I would say when we are using text transmission, definitely TCP is the best choice because you can't afford or tolerate to lose any data. So file transfers, remote access, definitely I recommend you to use TCP connection. Also, you don't want really see something like a scrambled JPEG picture. So when delivery acknowledgements are needed, definitely you should use TCP protocols. But when you are using UDP, it is also possible. You just need to have some sort of second layer to make sure that every data have arrived. So multimedia streaming, either UDP or TCP will be okay. So why choose UDP? Because less overhead means less bandwidth has been taken, and less delay is undesirable. Most likely data loss will never happen in this situation. So other uses for UDP, such as small transactions, DNS lookups, and no need to create the close connection first. Bandwidth intensive apps that tolerate packet loss, as we have mentioned so many times, voice chat, blah blah blah, things like here and that. But sometimes you can also choose TCP for your multimedia streaming when the overhead doesn't deteriorate performance. Or sometimes, in school environment, firewalls block UDP connections for security reasons. In this situation, we have no choice but to implement the TCP protocol for our data transmissions, communications. Okay, thanks for watching videos. If you don't mind, just hit the subscribe button. This is Wei Feng, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Peace.